Hello everyone. In this tutorial, you will learn how to cancel your vidIQ subscription or downgrade vidIQ to the free plan easily. Let's get started. First, launch your web browser and go to www.vidiq.com. Click the login button and then log into your vidIQ account by entering your email and password. Next, click on your account picture or image in the top right corner and select Account Settings. In the following step, click Manage Plan. Then click Cancel Plan. On the following screen, you will be asked, are you sure you would like to downgrade your plan? Click Downgrade to use the basic or free plan. Next, you will be asked, are you sure you want to cancel? You will lose these boost features. If you have a vidIQ Pro plan, your message might read, you will lose these Pro features. If you are sure, click Continue to Cancellation. In the following step, you will be asked, why have you decided to cancel your subscription? Select the answer that best describes your reason for unsubscribing from vidIQ and click Continue to Cancellation to cancel your vidIQ Boost Pro or Trial subscription. In the final step, you will be notified of how long you can keep using your current vidIQ subscription until it expires. Click OK. Next, you will receive a confirmation message for canceling your vidIQ subscription. If you change your mind, click the Reactivate Subscription button. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on the LT Lucid Tutorials logo and sharing the video link with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.